What is going on, guys? So I'm gonna start a new trend for Sunday videos, but this is all determined on if my dad comes over here. But anyway, so Sunday is gonna be Sunday Follow the Leader Day, or Follow the Leader Sunday. So every Sunday is gonna be a Follow the Leader video with me and my dad. So
Gonna kick his butt.
today we are going to do the deadbolts. He's gonna run his deadbolt and I'm gonna run my deadbolt. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so this goes hand in hand with the follow the leaders. It's gonna be more of a, oh, that's going the wrong way. I got to throttle that way. Okay, there we go. The follow the leader videos are gonna be kind of a raw filming. Oh snap. Because that's the only way to film it. And my steering trim, steering jaw rate, gotta be turned way up. Nope, other way. Okay, now I gotta catch up to Dad. Because he is totally kicking my butt. Why is this going so slow? My reverse is super slow. I gotta reprogram the ESC. There we go. Okay, now I gotta go back over here. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, my steering's reversed too. Using a different remote for this truck. Oh snap. There we go. This controller is not the easiest to be driving one-handed with. I'm using the tactic remote that comes with this Wraith Spawn, because that's the ESC I have in this truck, and my steering is not good. It doesn't steer very well to that. Oh, that might be why. Let's try that. That's better. Oh, I forgot to tell Dad the rules. If you hit a gate, if you're going through a gate and you hit it, it's a penalty, so then you have to forfeit the lead.
So I gotta go back to the line?
Yep, back of the line if you hit a gate.
Back of the line.
This remote is not good for one-handed driving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where's he going? Oh, he's going up through the frame twister.
Whoa.
Uh-oh, I'm stuck. Dad is kicking my butt right now.
Oh, there's a hole right there.
Yep. Oh, I'm stuck.
So am I. Oh, there we go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Back of the line.
Golly.
back of the line. Oh man, now I'm gonna do the same thing. There we go.
Oh, come on. Oh, there we go.
There it goes. There, oh, there we go. Okay, so now we're gonna have to go back this way. This steering on this truck sucks. I gotta freaking work on that. It is not turning very good.
Uh-oh. Back of the line. Oh.
Oh man. Yeah, this steering sucks on this truck right now. I don't know what that deal is there. So, you guys will see an update on the jack-o'-lantern build. Got a pinstripe on there. Got the new grill on there. Although my camera angle kind of sucks right now, but he's looking pretty good. Alright, where should we go? We'll go up here. Ooh, diff hanger. Okay. Had to clear some storage out of my phone. Had too many videos stored on my phone. There we go. Actually, I think I don't like how slow that reverses. I think we're gonna go this way.
I've never gone that way before.
The squish of those tires. Creeping. Man, now I'm gonna have to edit this video because I had to stop recording halfway through. So cool. Oh. It is so hard to film right here. Oh, he's falling off.
Yeah.
Hand of God.
Son of a gun.
Da-da-da. Whoa, now I'm falling.
Oh.
Look at the squish of that tire. Squish, squish. I really like the looks of these tires. They may not be the best performing tires, but I definitely like the looks of them. They look so sweet. All right, now let's try this again. For some reason, my phone stops recording halfway through this stupid video. And we have to close. Okay, here we go. My kids are not happy right now. Phone is being stupid. Oh yeah, look at that. Da, 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 da. Kids are watching Moana right now. Spot for filming. Whoa. I'm really surprised he didn't flip over. Oh, wipe out.
Holy cow.
Okay, hopefully I got this shit figured out and my phone will stop freaking acting up on me. For some reason it won't record any longer than 3 minutes, which is dumb. Dun, 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 dun. So stinking sweet. Which way should we go? Should we go up or down? Let's go down, and then we'll come back up the other way.
See, I never tried this again. I end up wiping out. It's your fault.
There we go. Oh, he say, oh, nope. Oh, he done messed up. Can he back out of it? Nope. Hand of God. Yep, hand of God.
Golly.
We are both riding the struggle bus today. Oh,
Again?
see
Come
again. Oh, man down.
I think you just set me up.
No, somebody's just gotta learn how to drive.
Yeah, I guess. Go back to school.
Okay. Go through here.
Man, this throttle's touchy.
Oh yeah, those grabs really good. Oh, and I didn't even get it on video. USA 1 just chilling out. I'm gonna gonna have to try comping with this one this week because I don't drive it enough, and I feel with all the upgrades on this truck, this should be the best performing truck. I just gotta work out some kinks, get that steering figured out.
Simple ramp, and I can't even get up on it.
We are both struggling today. Yep. Steer, nope.
Oh, God.
Gotta watch that front tire and just guide the front tire, and the back tires will follow. There you go. Oh.
See, I gotta touch you.
Hey, you're helping me out.
Hey, I hope you got insurance.
So sweet. This bridge is so awesome. Bob the Builder did an amazing job.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, I can't turn very sharp with this truck.
Oh, you're gonna take me over the tricky spot. That's why I went airborne last time.
Oh, hit the gate. Oh, so I'm back of the line. I hit the gate. I hit the gate, so I'm back of the line.
Get back of the line.
Can we fit through there? Is there enough room? Yeah, it looks like there's enough room. Oh!
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Done shoved me off the bridge.
Child abuse. I'll wait for you there, buddy. My bad. Oh, I hate the bridge. It always flips me over. Okay, hold on.
I'm trying to catch up to you so I can keep us in the same camera.
Oh, I hate this bridge.
Just gotta go slow and steady.
That is a steep drop right there. Your back end is gonna.
There it goes. Look at Bob the Builder truck. He's all freaking swinging all over the place.
Oh man. Okay, there. Come on. What is wrong with me? I can't even get up these simple ramps.
You gonna go back all the way around the ring, or you gonna turn around?
I think I'm going to turn around
Come back down.
and come back this way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oops.
Oh, this is where I wiped out too.
Oh, you can go back across the wobbly bridge.
No, that's too easy. Oh, I'm already off.
Oh,
Golly.
and I've got. Oh, so that means I'm in the lead
I
now.
go back to the line.
Back of the line.
I'm gonna wipe out. Golly. I should have went the other way.
Oh, this is a really hard section to reach. Did not think that through when I was building this track. The accessibility factor. Concentrate. Concentrate. Now just guide your front tires center down the entire ramp and your back tires will follow. Just keep coming. Steer more toward the wall. Just keep coming. Now, nope, too much. Come back my way. Come back the other way. There you go. You're just gonna have to slide down like that.
Kitty Wampus.
Nope, too far. Keep those, just don't worry about the back tires. Just keep the front tires coming down. There you go. Nope.
Oh,
Yeah, there you go. Back up a little bit maybe.
I can't.
Nope, you're stuck. Yep, you're
God, I suck today.
There we go. All right. Come back down through here. Whoa. Oh, it's so hard filming one-handed and driving.
Sorry. Oh, you're gonna go through there, huh?
Yeah, but I'm probably gonna hit the gate. And if I do, then you get to take the lead. Oh, I made it. Haha. Oh, he hit it.
Back of the line.
You're already in the back.
I know.
Heck yeah.
God, I suck today.
We both do.
Holy moly.
Struggle was real today, guys. Whoa, whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hey, you're doing one of my tricks.
Hand of God, back of the line. Right at the last minute.
See, that's how you got to do something.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Here we go.
Dun, 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 dun.
Holy cow.
Heck yeah, that was a struggle today, but we did it.
I broke into a sweat.
Can you guys read that bumper sticker? Don't follow me, I do stupid shit. I gotta get some on mine yet. Alright guys, so that is gonna wrap it up for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Kind of frustrating over here today because we're both off our game, but whatever. We have a blast. Bob the Builder, again, freaking does amazing work on building the stuff on this course. The bridge, yeah, just so freaking cool. So, anyway, we will see you guys Wednesday for Wednesday night comp night. And that guy right there, the red truck, is going to be the competitor. Heck yeah. So, guys, haven't decided who's going to be here this week, but bring your A game.
Yeah, no.
See you guys later.